Hi friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iTunes Store not working on iPhone after iOS 17.4 update in 2024. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First of all, you can go to the settings here, and here you can go to general and you can check software update. Just simply click the software update and wait for a few seconds. If you have any pending update, just simply download and install it to fix your problem and go back to home. If this solution is not working, so don't worry, we have another solution. So just simply go to settings. Here you can see general and just simply go to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So tap on it, tap on reset, and here you can see reset network settings. So just simply tap on reset network settings. Here you can see enter your passcode. After entering passcode, you can see reset network settings. So just simply tap on reset network settings to reset the network settings only. So go back and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is go to settings. Here you can see Wi-Fi. If you're connected with Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi, turn it off, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on back. Go back. Here you can see airplane mode. Just simply turn the toggle on, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back to fix network connection and go back to the home. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is go to the app store. Here you can search iTunes stores. Just simply tap on iTunes store, wait for a few seconds. Here you can see iTunes store, tap on it. If you have any update of iTunes store, so just simply update it and fix your problem and go back to the home. If this solution is not working, then we move to go to settings, go to general, go to the transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can see reset, and here you can see reset all settings. So just simply tap on reset all settings to reset all settings only without losing any data, and go back to the home screen and try to open iTunes store. If all this solution is not working, then we move to another is force restart your device. So for force restarting your device, just simply press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo is appear, and then release the power button to restart your device and fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.